Hey gang, it's Amy Harber. It's Tomboy Beauty. I've got a throwback box. Yes, a box that's almost a year old. Yes, I found it. Well, on burying boxes and stuff. It's the October Allure Beauty Box. Now, what's funny about this box is the theme is like a boss, which a month earlier was the theme for, I think, Ipsy, which is, like, were they copycatting them or what? Anyway, let's get into the products and talk about them. So, this is the Allure October 2017 beauty box. As you can see behind me, I got a whole bunch of boxes that I haven't opened yet or even looked at, but I'm going to be bringing those videos to you anyway. There's always a cool saying inside the box. Talk to me after my double shot of dry shampoo. That's totally me. I am living for dry shampoo. So, like I said, the theme, like a boss. I love that they break down the products and they tell you how much the full-size ones are. So here we have the Pureology Hydrate Air Dry Cream. Oh my god, air dry cream. If you know me, you know I like to air dry my hair, and most of the stuff out there is like heat protectant, like cream that you put in your hair. So I am so excited to try this. Oh, you can even scrunch it in waves if you want. So the next thing is Beauty for Real. It's eyeline 24/7 eyeliner. It's in whiskey, which, you know what, I love. Why? Because it's not black. Oh my god, I have so many black eyeliners. It's unbelievable. It's like a dark chocolate brown. It's got a little bit of metallic to it, so I'm excited about that. Eau Thermal Avene. It's French. I'm still learning French. I suck at it. It's never gonna happen. It's like, stop trying to make French happen. But anyway, it's antioxidant defense serum, which is pretty cool because I'm almost out of the serum I'm using right now. So it's supposed to have, keep the free radicals off your face. It's got sriracha in it. That's right. The stuff you put on like your teriyaki bowls and stuff. Oh wait, no. I read it wrong. It doesn't have sriracha in it, but it does have vitamin C and vitamin E. They were making a joke about the sriracha in here. I got all excited. I was like, oh my god, there's sriracha in my face cream? So, I was kind of excited for that. Okay. Korres Wild Rose Sleeping Facial. That's right, sleep mask. You put it on your face, and it does all the work while you're sleeping. It leaves you with plumpy, dewy skin. I really love sleep masks because you wake up and you feel all dewy, but yeah, it just feels great. You feel very clean. Then we have Kat Von D, Sinner and Saint. I believe I have, it's black, so I'm pretty sure this is the Sinner. That's right. So it's a blend of patchouli, cinnamon, and vetiver, which I do not know what that is, but let's take a little. Oh, it's got a very, it's got a little bad girl scent. Oh, I'm gonna be a bad girl wearing this. Woo! I'm gonna smell like a bad girl. Yeah. You know me, sweet innocent Amy, gonna be a bad girl. And then finally, because I've gotten this in like every single box, and I even got it from Influencer full size to try and sample, free, complimentary, courtesy of Influencer and Walgreens. Yes, I got another canister of Pantene foam conditioner. Love this stuff. It's so lightweight. It doesn't weigh down my fine hair. I think I actually have it on my hair right now. And yay! So there's another beauty box down. Here's where you can find me. And eventually we will get to, whoop, oh yes, That is a mountain of beauty boxes.